Push the pedal.
I have to get her in a second because it's cold.
All right, push the pedal. Go, go, go. Lucy, drive.
There you go. Lauren's left arm's going. Turn that way. Turn towards Uncle Scotty.
Go that way. Go that way.
Come on.
Turn. Keep turning that way. Keep turning. Turn. Turn. Oh, she can't see. Alright, turn.
Keep going.
Go.
I have that. That's not you see.
Yeah, keep going.
Keep going.
Like your car.
It's like my car? Or like Papa's blue truck?
Look at Lauren. Smiling.
She's making a funny face.
Lauren's going. They have cup holders.
Push again.
Where's the couple one?
Right down here. Look, I'm going to take Lauren out now. Okay.
Goes in reverse.